Hi everyone. I'm just really excited for today's episode. I haven't had too much sugar. It's fine. Let's have some more sugar. Yeah. All right. So first off here for our little sugar coating, we have 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We'll mix those together and use those later. And then here for the cookies, we have 2½ cups of flour, ½ a cup of sugar, ½ a teaspoon of baking soda, ¼ teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of salted butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so we're going to add the flour, the baking soda, and the salt to a small bowl and stir those up. And then add both of the sugars to a large bowl and beat those together. Then add in the butter and beat that until it forms a nice grainy paste. Add in the eggs and the vanilla and beat that together until it's nice and combined. And then gradually add in the flour mixture while that's beating and beat that just until it's combined. All right, so I'm going to combine our flour, baking soda, and salt. Okay, and now we'll stir together the sugars. Okay. Throw in the egg and the vanilla. Oop. There we go. I should have said earlier, beat that part until it's nice and fluffy. And now gradually add in the flour. All right. Okay, so now we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to take a little bit of dough, roll it into a 1-inch ball, and then roll it through our cinnamon sugar mixture, place it on an ungreased cookie sheet, and then we're going to bake those for about 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I found one way. These are different from snickerdoodles. This dough is much more wet than snickerdoodles usually are. So it's going to stick to your hands a little bit. So get ready for that. So yeah. Just going to roll it in a ball. Roll it through cinnamon sugar mix there. And repeat. Okay, so I'll throw this in the oven and clean myself up. Okay, there we go. So they also definitely spread out a lot more than regular snickerdoodles, so make sure you space them apart nicely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're going to be making some oatmeal and chocolate chunk cookies. Sounds like a great combination. I can't wait to try it. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.